All right, guys, so today I'm going to teach you guys how to use a tactical pen. Now, if you're, an Uber driver, or if you drive a lot, delivery, it's good to have an improvised weapon in the car. Now, what I like about this one, this is a tactical pen from Atomic Bear. It's called Rebel, and it's an actual pen, right? So you could see over here, and I've tested them out. They write pretty well, as well as they have this part right over here, which is a glass breaker. So if I just smack this glass right over here, I'm gonna break it. Now, what's good about it is you can leave it in the car. Again, at any point I wanna use it, I'm gonna grip it, thumb over here, and I'll use this part to strike. The way I would strike it, and again, we're looking at it from inside a car, if I'm here and I'm talking to him or something, I feel that something might happen, I might pick it up, and from there, I'm gonna strike in a hammer fist motion into the face, into the jaw, into the neck. I could also use it as a pressure point that grabbed me. So if he's here, you feel this?
Yeah.
Right, I'm not even putting a lot of pressure. As well, I could use it for pressure points. I could use it to scrape across the face and smash into the face, into the eyes, into the throat. So I'm gonna hold it in a way that I'm gonna use it in a hammer fist way. And let's say even if has his hands like he's gonna punch, I'm just gonna move. I'm just gonna start hammering away at his arms, his face. And if he grabs me,
just doing that, it makes me want to stay back.
Just doing that, right?
Yeah, I just want to stay back.
I'm gonna start doing this, and I'm still gonna keep my arm. If he moves forward, I'm gonna use my elbow to jam it over here, and from there be able to stab underneath, because I want to protect the weapon hand. So if I think he's coming in to grab it, I'm gonna grab here and start using it here, and just start hammering everything I can, because
it's pointy, right?
It's pointy. It actually hurts, right? So I'll protect it with my elbow if it comes in to strike anywhere. If he's outside, I'm gonna use it again, hammer fist into the eyes, into the face, and don't forget about your other strikes, right? Now, Perry, go outside the car. Now, if he's outside, yeah, come outside. If he's outside and he's trying to come in, right, and he's here and he grabs me, right, this is where, oh, you felt that?
Yeah.
Right? This is where I'm gonna strike the hand, strike here, strike the face. I'm gonna use my arm as leverage to keep him back, protect the weapon hand, and just strike. Strike where? Closest weapon to closest target. Strike the hand, strike the arm. I don't need to go to the face. I'll just start striking everything here just to keep him. So I know that if I go boom right there, you felt that, right? If I whack, I'm pretty sure his hand's gonna let go. Once he lets go, I could use it as leverage, my arm, to strike, and again, demotivate him to continue his attack. So again, this is a great tool to keep in your car. Again, I got a couple of questions from Uber drivers, delivery drivers, taxi drivers who get attacked. Again, keep something simple like that. Don't get emotionally attached to it, but hey, if you have it there, why not use it? Why not have that extra edge that might actually save your life? Again, from the outside of the window, it's great, because the instant he comes in, I'm just gonna start hammering away. Right there, you feel this?
Yeah.
Oh, just start striking to the hand.
Because again, there's no way I'm letting go.
Again, closest weapon to closest target. Grab me, Perry. If I just do this,
yeah.
Right? So again, this is just another tool, guys. I'm trying to teach you guys different weapons that you can use. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Check out Atomic Bear. This is the Rebel pen, guys. I want to thank you guys for watching. Stay safe and stand strong.